Have you ever felt sluggish and tired even though you haven't done much? Maybe you run out of breath climbing a flight of stairs, have poor posture, or joint pain. Many of us experience these same pains, and there are signs that our bodies need to get up and move around. I'm assuming you clicked on this video to learn how to fix your fitness problems and learn how to properly work out. So, let's get started. In this video, I will explain the most important starter tips and terms that any person at the gym will need to know. First, let's talk about the health benefits. Did you know that simply working out regularly can actually add years to your life? That's right. Studies from the National Institute of Health have shown that people who exercise regularly live an average of 4.2 years longer than those who are inactive. Did you also know that a staggering 2.8 million people die a year from obesity? This is because a lack of exercise can also heavily increase your chances of life-threatening diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, liver disease, stroke, depression, and so much more. That's horrible, but it can be fixed. How might you ask? Well, it's simple. Improve your health by working out. Regular exercise can help to regulate blood sugar levels, improve cholesterol, and so much more. Exercising doesn't just provide you with physical health benefits. It can greatly improve your mental health as well. It can help to reduce stress by triggering the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators, which can leave you feeling more relaxed and positive throughout the day. It also lowers levels of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, while providing a distraction from negative thoughts and promoting better sleep quality. So, not only will you physically feel better, but you will also have boosts in energy levels. Now that you fully understand the importance of your fitness and all the benefits that come with it, let's begin to talk about the gym. One of the biggest misconceptions about exercise is that you need a gym membership to get into shape. While the tools that are provided are highly beneficial, it is still possible to achieve your fitness goals without them. It is entirely possible to get an amazing workout right in the comfort of your own home. This is done with bodyweight exercises or some simple equipment. A few examples of great bodyweight exercises include squats, which are fantastic for building leg strength, such as your quads and glutes. Push-ups, to target your upper body. These can include your chest, shoulders, back, and core, depending on your form. You can also do calf raises, which are pretty self-explanatory, and hits your calves. And finally, core workouts. But this is a whole other subgenre of workouts, and there are far too many to list now, but these simple bodyweight exercises can be done anytime, anywhere, no equipment required. If you have access to dumbbells, kettlebells, and even resistance bands, there are also a lot of different things that you can achieve with those. If you really want to simulate dumbbells, but you don't have the money or the time to buy some of your own, then there are simple DIY solutions. You can create your own homemade weights using recycled materials such as water bottles, plastic milk containers, cans of soup, or even just plastic bags wrapped in duct tape. All you have to do is safely insert some heavy material such as sand, gravel, cement, or water and seal the object off. And then you can weigh it on a scale to see how heavy it is. The key to all of this is to be creative and make the most of what you have on hand. Now, for your cardio, simple walks will do. However, once you feel comfortable going on long walks, you should definitely try to take it up a notch and go on runs instead. This is because runs are far more effective to burn calories than walks. For example, a 160-pound person runs about 15.1 calories per minute running, compared to an 8.7 calories per minute while walking. For those of you who have access to a gym, the first time you may go may feel a little intimidating, especially with all the unfamiliar phrases being thrown around. It can be overwhelming, but don't worry, you're not alone. With a little bit of knowledge, you'll be able to navigate the gym in no time. Here's a quick rundown of some common gym terms that will help you to get the most out of your workouts and understand what I'm telling you later in the video. First, reps, short for repetitions. Reps refer to the number of times that you perform an exercise. For instance, if you are lifting a weight, then each time you lift it and put it back down, that will be 1 rep. Next are sets. A set is a group of repetitions. This means if someone says to do 3 sets of 10, it means to do 10 repetitions of the exercise and then rest and repeat the process 2 more times. Resting in between sets is very important because it allows your muscles to recover slightly to give you more energy to complete your reps. Split. A workout split is a way to divide your workouts by muscle groups. This allows you to focus on different areas of your body on different days, giving each muscle group time to recover. For example, you might have an arm day, back day, leg day, or ab day. This method helps to work your body evenly and efficiently. Form. Form refers to the correct posture and technique for performing an exercise. It is extremely important to try and perfect your form for exercises because it can completely alter the effectiveness of the workout. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and getting the absolute most out of your workout. What happens very often is that people will try to use heavier weights before they are ready and will have very poor form. It is recommended to start your exercise at a comfortable but challenging weight that will allow you to have good form while still being hard at work. A warm-up. A warm-up is done before your workout to prevent injuries and loosening your tight joints and improving the blood flow to muscles. It also helps to increase your range of motion and flexibility to allow you to perform movements more efficiently. A cool-down. A cool-down is similar to warm-up. However, it is done at the end of your workout. It has many different useful effects such as reducing muscle soreness, improving heart rate, and recovery. It also reduces the chance of potential injuries. Think of it as cooling your engine after a drive. Your car engine will heat up to provide energy to move, and then after the drive it will need to cool down to stop, just like your body. So, those are all the complex terms that you will need to know for your workout. Now, let's get into some simple starter workout splits. I won't be going too far into depth in this specific video, but I might make future videos that will dive deeper onto the specific workouts such as correct form. Our workout split will contain the following: arm day, chest day, back day, abs, cardio, and leg day. First, warm up. I assume most of you are capable enough to know how to warm up, so I won't say too much here, but make sure you stretch. I suggest going on a light jog before you begin your workout to loosen up your muscles. And since it's just a warm up, don't go too crazy. For the exercises, we will begin with arm day. First, we'll start with bicep curl. Hold your weight, keep your elbows close to your body, and curl the weight towards your chest. You will do 3 sets of 10 reps. Tricep pushdowns, using a cable machine. Adjust the cable to shoulder height and grab the bar or rope attachment. Push it down until your arms are fully extended and slowly return your arms to the start. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Shoulder press. Take your weights, hold them at shoulder height, and press them straight up until your elbows are fully extended. Lower the weight slowly back to your shoulders and repeat. 3 sets of 10 reps. Hammer curls. Similar to bicep curls, but you keep your palms facing each other as you curl. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, and that's it. That's a simple arm day workout. After you finish your workout, stretch. It is suggested that you should do a cool down lap to lower your heart rate and body temperature. Chest day. Start with some simple push-ups and do about 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Incline dumbbell press, Use an incline bench and 2 dumbbells or weights. Then bring the weight to your chest and push straight up. Similar to a shoulder press, but you're at different angles. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Next is a chest press. Lie on your back, preferably on a bench, holding weights in both hands. Push the weight straight up, then lower slowly. You'll do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Chest fly. Lie on a bench and take 2 weights. Extend your arms straight above your chest, palms facing each other. Lower your arms out to the sides in a wide arc until you feel a stretch in your chest. Keep a slight bend in your elbows, then bring it back to the starting position. 3 sets of 6 reps. And that's it for chest day. On to back day. We will start off with a lat pull down. Sit down at the lat pull down machine, grip the bar wider than shoulder width, and pull it down to your chest. Slowly, let it return to the start. 3 sets of 10 reps. Seated row. Using the seated cable machine, sit down on the row machine, grab the handles, and pull them towards your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades together while doing so. 3 sets of 10 reps. Dumbbell deadlifts. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, keep your back straight, and lower the weights toward the floor by hanging it at your hips. Return to standing and do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Rear delt fly. Hold 2 dumbbells in each hand with a neutral grip facing the floor, either bent over or laying on a bench. Keep your back straight, lift the dumbbells out to the sides, keeping a slight bend in your elbows until they're at shoulder height, and lower slowly and repeat. You will do 3 sets of 8 reps. Moving on to leg day. Leg press. Using a leg press machine, place your feet shoulder width apart on the platform and push it away while keeping your knees slightly bent at the top. 3 sets of 10 reps. Barbell squats. Now, it is important to get your form correct because you can easily injure your back. Sometimes gyms will have a white practice pipe that you can use to ensure you hold the bar correctly. You can place it on your back and practice. Assuming you are confident in your skills to squat a bar, then you may proceed. But start with a light weight, maybe even the bar itself. Nobody's judging. To do the squat itself, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Point your toes outward, keep your chest up and shoulders back. Place the bar onto your upper traps, which are right below your neck. Be very careful not to place the bar onto your neck, only the muscles below it. Bars will have 3 sections with grip. Line up your neck with the middle section and place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. After you properly hold the bar, pick it up and bend your knees. Then lower your thighs until they are about parallel to the ground or 90 degrees. You can go lower if you want, but that will target your hip muscles instead of your quads. Keep the weight even and lift it back up. Repeat this process for 3 sets of 10 reps. Next are some simple lunges. Hold a dumbbell in each hand and take a step forward into a lunge. But be sure not to let your knee touch the ground. Your forward leg should be at about 90 degrees. Then push back up to standing position and alternate your legs. You will do 3 sets of 8 per leg. Calf raises. For this exercise, you can either use a Smith machine or dumbbells. Stand up straight with the weight hanging down by your hips, or if you're using a Smith machine, on your neck. Simply stand up tall with your toes and lift your heels. Try to get as high as possible and squeeze your calves, and then lower down slowly. You will do 3 sets of 12 reps on a Smith machine or 20 reps with the dumbbells. That concludes leg day. Now, on to abs and cardio day. While this may seem insignificant to many people, your abs affect 90% of your other workouts, contributing up to 20% improvement in other exercises. Start off with a bodyweight plank. Hold a body position on your forearms for about 30 seconds to a minute. Do about 2 sets of this. Russian twists. Using a medicine ball, which is a weighted ball, sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist side to side while holding the ball. Make sure your head is staying straight and your legs are raised. 3 sets of 20 seconds. Mountain climbers. In a push-up position, bring your knees to your chest one at a time. Do 3 sets of 15 reps per leg. Cable wood choppers. Using a cable machine, set the cable to shoulder height. Pull it across your body in a twisting motion. 3 sets of 10 per side. Finally, for your cardio, finish with about 10 minutes on a treadmill or bike machine, or even just a simple run in the park at a moderate pace. So, that completely wraps up our workout splits, and hopefully you have taken away some useful information about the gym and will continue to use these tips in the future. But, if you are still having trouble completing workouts or understanding what to do, consider hiring a personal trainer. A trainer can help you accurately stay on track and avoid skipping your workouts. If you have trouble finishing strong or staying focused, they will also help to motivate you and overcome your challenges. With a trainer, you can create a more personalized workout plan for your goals, and it can be as complex as it needs to be because they will walk you through the whole thing. If timing is your problem, then a personal trainer can also work with your schedule to ensure that you fit in your workouts and stay healthy. A quick last minute thing, nutrition. In order to properly power yourself for your workouts, you need to be eating healthy and filling meals that will provide you the energy to finish your workouts. If you eat a bunch of junk food and soda before exercising, you will feel a lot more sluggish because your body didn't receive the proper nutrients. Make sure whenever you are working out that you bring water because staying hydrated helps you keep cool and maintain your endurance. So, to finish off this video, taking care of your health through exercise is one of the most impactful decisions you can make for your physical and mental well-being. While incorporating regular workouts into your routine, whether at home or in the gym, you can improve your energy, posture, strength, and even extend your life expectancy. Using proper form and following a structured plan can set you on the path to achieving your goals. And remember, nutrition and hydration are just as important as the workouts themselves.